Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. Here I have guys my MacBook Neo, and of course today I'll be showing you how to access the webcam. Now of course if you were to start for example a video call or something like that, what would happen is that the camera does automatically come up in terms of it will appear. However, what if you want to actually access the webcam and without a video call? For example, normally you'll be able to launch the webcam on any laptop, and once you launch your webcam you can actually see what's happening up here in the webcam, and to get the feed from the webcam. So if you try to search, for example, if I go into apps, you'll find that you're not seeing any option for the webcam. So you'll see that unlike a normal laptop, there's no option in here that says webcam. So if I search webcam, all right, there's nothing appearing, or if I spell out web camera, nothing shows up. So there's no dedicated app for webcam. All right, so I'm going to show you to do that on the MacBook Neo, how to actually find the webcam in case you want to preview anything. So you're going to search for a particular app. It's called Magnifier. So that's Magnifier. All right, you can search for that app. It's there. Or you can actually search through the apps. It's right here. It's called Magnifier. It's alphabetical. And what I'm going to do here, let me adjust the camera up a bit as I don't want to be on camera. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to launch Magnifier. So Magnifier is what you'll need. So just in case you're wondering, why is it that I cannot see my webcam? It's right here. It's under Magnifier. So by launching Magnifier, you'll be able to access your webcam. So as you can see here, it's live. You can take a photo, and this is the Magnifier app. And as you can see here, you can go ahead and play around with the settings. You can see they have filters and various options, so you can actually play around with those. So it no longer says anything relating to webcam. It simply is under Magnifier. So if you go ahead and launch your Magnifier app, you'll be able to use your webcam and see what's on your webcam. As you can see here, that the webcam can still be used, although there's no dedicated webcam. It's under Magnifier. Hope that was helpful for those who were searching for the webcam and cannot find it. So it's now under Magnifier. To actually play around with the camera, you can actually mess with the zoom and so on. So hope that was useful, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.